Good morning, children. Welcome to our math session. Now, children, in our previous session, we did chapter 6 Coins and Currency Notes, part 4. Correct? Today, we are going to do chapter 6 Coins and Currency Notes, but Mental Maths 6. Okay? So, let us see the questions. Question number 1. What is the value of a 100 rupee note? I repeat, what is the value of a 100 rupee note? Now, if you are having a 100 rupee note, what value will be of that 100 rupee note? What is the value of a 100 rupee note? Tell me the answer, children. Think and tell me. I am waiting for your answer. If you are having a 100 rupee note in your hand, what will be the value of that 100 rupee note? Yes, rupees 100. What will be the value of that 100 rupee note? Rupees 100, because it is a 100 rupee note. So the value will be rupees 100. Next question. Question number 2. What is value of 150 rupees note and 1 rupee coin? If you are having 150 rupees note and 1 rupee coin, so what will be the value of that? That means what will be the total value of 150 rupees note and 1 rupee coin? Count and tell me, children. If you are having in one hand 150 rupees note and in another hand you are having 1 rupee coin, so what will be the value of that? Rupees 51. Correct. Why? Because 50 rupees note, and if we add 1 rupee coin to that 50 rupees note, what amount we are going to get? We are going to get rupees 51. That means 150 rupees note and 1 rupee coin will make rupees 51. Question number 3. 3 coin of 10 rupees make how much rupees? 3 coin of 10 rupees make how much rupees? Now, if you are having 3 coins of 10 rupees, okay, so how much rupees it will make? Count and tell me, children. 1 coin will make how much of 10 rupees? Will be 10. Okay, then 2 coin of 10 rupees? 20. Correct. And 3 coins of 10 rupees? Rupees 30. Correct. So 3 coin of 10 rupees will make how much rupees? Rupees 30. 3 coins of 10 rupees will make how much rupees? Rupees 30. 1 coin of 10 rupees, 10 rupee. Then 2 coins of 10 rupees will make 20 rupees. And 3 coins will make 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is 10 3s are 30. Okay. Question number 4. What is the value of 4 notes of rupees 200? What is the value of 4 notes of rupees 200? Now you are having 4 notes of rupees 200. Okay. So tell me, what will be the value of 4 notes of rupees 200? 1 note of 200 will be 200. 2 notes of 200 will be 400. 3 notes of 200 rupees 200 will be 600. And 4 notes of rupees 200 will be rupees 800. Correct. If we add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 2 4 times. 2 4s are 8. So the value of 4 notes of rupees 200 will be rupees 800. Now question number 5. 2 notes of 50 rupees and 1 note of 20 rupees make how many rupees? 2 notes of 50 rupees. Okay, you are having 2 notes of 50 rupees. and you are having one note of 20 rupees. So how many rupees you are having together? Count and tell me, children. First tell me two notes of 50 rupees will make how much? 50 plus 50 will be 100. Correct. Then to that, if I give you one more 20 rupees, then how much? 50 plus 50 is 100. Okay. To that 100, add this one note of 20. So it will be rupees 120. Correct. 120. That means two notes of 50 rupees and one note of 20 rupees make 120. Okay. Now question number 6. Rupees 10 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 5. Now add and tell me, children, what will be your answer? This rupees 10 you will add to rupees 20. So what is your answer? 10 plus 20 will be 30. To that 30 I have to add this remaining 5. So what answer I am going to get? 30 plus 5. Yes, children, add and tell me. 35. Correct. So 10 plus 20 is 30 and 30 plus this 5 will be 35. 10 plus 20 will be 30 and 30 plus rupees 5 is 35. So one 10 rupee note, one 20 rupee note and one 5 rupee note will be total rupees 35. Question number 7. How many 20 rupee notes will make 100? How many 20 rupee notes will make 100? Tell me, children, think and tell me. You are having 20 rupees note, but how many 20 rupees note will make 100? Let us count and see. Now 20, one note, another 20, that is 40, then 20 will be 60, then 20 will be 80, and then if we add one more 20 it will become 100. So how many notes we are having? Let us see. Wait. 20 plus 20 plus 20, that is 20, 40, 60. Okay. Then plus 20 plus 20. 60 plus 20 is 80. 80 plus 20 is 100. So total how many notes we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many notes of 20 rupees? How many 20 rupee notes will make 100? 5 notes. Correct. How many notes of 20 rupees? 20 plus 20 will be 40. 40 plus 20 will be 60. 60 plus 20 will be 80 and 80 plus 20 will be 100. That means if I give you 20 rupees 5 note, it will make rupees 100. Okay. So 20 rupee 5 notes will make 100. Now here. Now let us count. Question number 8. Rupees 50 plus rupees 100 will be how much, children? Count and tell me. If I am having 100 rupee note and if I add one more 50 rupee note to that, what amount I am going to have? Yes, 150 rupee. Now to this 150 rupees, I am going to add 1 rupee. So it will be 151. And to that 151, I add this 2 rupee. Then 52, 53. To that 53, if I add one more 1 rupee. So what amount I am going to get? 154. Correct. Rupees 154. How? 50 plus 100 will be 150. To that 150, if I add 1, it will become 151. If to that 151, I add 2 more. So 51, 52 and 53. To that 53, if I add 1, it will become 154. That means rupees 50 plus rupees 100 plus rupees 1 plus rupees 2 and plus rupees 1 will be total rupees 154. Next question. 10 notes of rupees 10 will make how many rupees? 10 notes of rupees 10 will make how many rupees? Now one note of 10 rupees will make 10 rupees. 2 notes will make 20. 3 notes will make 30. 4 40 rupees. 5 notes 50 rupees. 6 notes 60 rupees. 7 notes 70 rupees. 8 notes 80 rupees. 9 notes 90 rupees. 10 notes 100. Correct. So 10 notes of rupees 10 will make how many rupees? 100 rupees. 10 notes of rupees 10 will make how many rupees? 100. 10 tens are 100. Okay children, you have to count and write the answer properly on your finger. You have to count. On the book you can count. In your rough book you can do the working. But you have to count and properly give the answer. Okay. You have to count from starting, like one note of 10 rupees is 10. So if I add one more 10 rupees, so it will become 20. If I add one more, it will become 30. If I add one more, it will become 40. Then like that, 10 notes you have to count. Then 10 notes of 10 rupee will make how many rupees? As you have to write the answer 100. Okay. Next. Seema bought a dress worth rupees 250. Seema bought a dress worth rupees 250. She gave the shopkeeper a 500 rupee note. She gave the shopkeeper a 500 rupee note. How much money will the shopkeeper return? Now Seema bought a dress. Okay. What was the price of the dress, or what was the cost of the dress? Rupees 250. But she was not having the change of rupees 250. So what she did, she gave the shopkeeper a 500 rupee note. So how much money will the shopkeeper return? Calculate and tell me, children. She gave the shopkeeper a 500 rupee note and she bought a dress worth rupees 250. So what amount or what money the shopkeeper will return? Yes, children. 250. Correct. What amount the shopkeeper is going to return? 250, because she gave 500 rupees and she took a dress worth rupees 250. So what is the balance amount? 250. So how much money the shopkeeper will return? 250 rupees. Now 250 and 250 will become 500. Now next question. What is the value of a 200 rupee note? Very easy, children. What is the value of a 200 rupee note? Again I repeat the question. What is the value of a 200 rupee note? You are having a 200 rupee note with you in your hand, and what will be the value you will be having then? Yes, children? Rupees 200. Correct. What is the value of a 200 rupee note? Is rupees 200. What is the value of one 20 rupee note and one 2 rupee coin. What is the value of one 20 rupee note and one 2 rupee coin? Now children, suppose I am having a 120 rupee note with me and I am having a 2 rupee coin with me. So how much money I am having with me? Calculate and tell me. One 20 rupee note I am having. To that I add one 2 rupee coin. So how much money I am having? 20 plus 2 will be, add 2 rupees to 20 rupees, 21 and 22, correct. So 120 rupee note and one 2 rupee coin will together make rupees 222. Sorry, rupees 22. Now what is the value of 5 notes of rupees 100? What is the value of 5 notes of rupees 100? Now one note is 100 rupees. 2 notes will be 200 and 3 notes will be 300 and 4 notes will be 400 and 5 notes of rupees 100 will be how much? 500 rupees. Correct. So the value of 5 notes of rupees 100 is 500 rupees. Now question number 14. Rupees 10 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 10. So let us count, children. 10 plus 20 is how much? 30. Correct. To that 30 I add this 10. How much? Yes, 40 rupees. Rupees 10 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 10 is equal to 40. 10 plus 20 is 30 and 30 plus 10 is 40. Now 2 coins of 5 rupees make how much rupees? Very easy. 2 coins of 5 rupees make how much rupees? Now if I am having 2 coins of 5 rupees, okay? So how much money I am having with me? 5 plus 5 is how much? Rupees 10. Correct. So 2 coins of 5 rupees will make how much rupees? Rupees 10. That is 5 plus 5 is 10. So with this, children, we finish our today's session of chapter 6, Coins and Currency Notes, Mental Math 6. See you in the next session with a new lesson. Till then, bye. Keep practicing and keep learning. See you soon.